Of South Alabama to increase tuition by 4.5% this coming school year. Fox 10 News reporter Steve Alexander joining us live in the newsroom to tell us more about this tuition increase. Hi there, Steve.
Yeah, a lot of people are talking about that on campus today during the summer semester. That increase is going to raise tuition to about $8,300 per academic year. Now, trustees say the increase is needed to cover additional costs, and today's students gave their thoughts to Fox 10 about that pay raise, or salary increase, I should say, or actually especially the increase as far as tuition goes.
We have increased costs for the retirement system for our faculty and staff, increased health care costs, costs that are outside our control.
Now, you're a student. How are you going to pay for this?
I think the important thing to remember about the tuition increase is that it's not something that they're doing just to do. It's something that is necessary to complete our college education.
It's way too high. Same thing. I want to know where it's going. I don't know where it's going, but it's way too high.
I was on scholarship, and not being on it anymore, it will affect and be harder to obviously pay.
I personally not affected by it just because I am on scholarship, and so it's not going to affect me. But I mean, I know probably a lot of other people will probably, try to look into getting more scholarship money and maybe even into more loans if they can't afford it and stuff. So definitely not going to be easy on a lot of students, especially if they're supporting themselves.
Still, trustees say at $8,300 per academic year, tuition at USA is still lower than at the University of Alabama, Auburn University, and Troy University. Housing fees, however, are also going up. They're going to be going up by 4.5%, and student meal plan rates will increase by an average of 4%. Reporting live from the newsroom, Steve Alexander, Fox 10 News.